Do you feel that holy rain? Rain is a type of the Holy Spirit. Its richness will bring the dead back to life and spark a holy fire in your soul and heart. Keep falling on down. Holy rain, keep falling down on us. Send it down, Lord, just like the prophet Joel said it would be. We know it brought us back to life, and we know without a shadow of a doubt it's our fuel to keep us in our walk with God and to tell others about Christ. God's Spirit is the air we breathe. We can't live without it. We can't live without this holy rain that ignites us and brings the endurance to press forward. It's like a car needing gas. When it goes down and that needle is on the E, you're kind of putt-putting along, and next thing you know, kaput, you're out of gas. You need fuel. Would we stand out in the street or a field if we knew God was pouring down this supernatural rain? Of course we would. We'd all be just laughing and smiling and carrying on, and we're getting fueled up. It's God's precious Holy Spirit. Some would look at us and laugh and think we're crazy and we're nuts. Let them think what they want to think. It was said to Jesus, it was said to all the disciples in the Bible. Nothing new under the sun, right? Let the redeemed of the Lord say so. We could be on that right now and talk about that for a long time. We know what fuels us. We know who saved us. If we only knew who was inside of us. Now think about that one, but that'll be another video. See, problems remind us we can't make it on our own. Without Him, we can do nothing. With Him, we can. It's dying to yourself every day and taking up your cross daily and being dependent upon Him. Him, the person, Jesus Christ. This Holy Spirit, this holy rain, same Spirit helped make creation. It's the same Holy Spirit from Genesis to Revelation, present day and forever. And we need it.